Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment so your scribble feels natural. Pick the pen tool, set pressure sensitivity and color, and adjust thickness. Open the note you want to annotate and switch to handwriting or scribble mode. This tells the app to capture strokes versus typing. Make sure palm rejection is active so your hand won't leave stray marks, and zoom the canvas to the size that matches your pen precision. Once done, you're ready to place the first strokes accurately on the page. Now focus on execution. Write with short, controlled strokes for letters and longer, confident strokes for arrows or shapes. This gives clarity and makes later edits easier. If detail gets small, zoom in. If a mistake happens, use undo quickly and use layers or grouping to isolate annotations. Many apps let you convert handwriting to typed text or lock strokes to prevent accidental edits, so convert important notes and lock them. As you proceed, check alignment and spacing to keep the page readable and navigable. Finish by reviewing and tidying strokes. Erase stray marks, smooth shapes, and convert handwriting to text when clarity matters. Export the note as PDF or image and save versions. Make sure sync to your cloud is complete so you have backups. If something goes wrong, recalibrate your stylus or toggle palm rejection and pressure settings because many scribble errors stem from miscalibration. If strokes lag, reduce canvas complexity or restart the app. With those quick fixes, your scribbles will look intentional and be safely preserved.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.